Well done for completing those quick questions. Now I'm going to show you how Fabrio works. Once this video is over, you'll be directed to the Explore Courses page. That's where you can see all of the courses that you have access to on Fabrio. You may also see some private courses at the top that are just for your institution. Courses on Fabrio are made through steps, instructions, videos, in-step questions, and check steps as well. A pathway on Fabrio is a collection of courses. Let's take a look at this 5 minutes tools pathway, and you can see a collection of courses 1, 2, 3, 4 there that you can do as part of the pathway. Now you may have been assigned courses or pathways by your institution, or you can pick one at your own will. I'm just going to show the Dune Buggy cab as an example. What we've got here is the course introduction page. If you've already started the course, it's going to say continue course. If you haven't started, it will say start now. Hit continue, and it's going to take you to the last step that you were on Fabrio. On the left hand side, you can see the sidebar menu with all the steps broken down and the lessons as well. Anytime you see a question mark, that means there's an in-step question. And then anytime you see a Fabrio light bulb, that's a check step, and I'll explain what that does in just a second. So I'm just going to go ahead and close that. And as we can see, we've got the information on the left hand side with the information and then tasks specific for what you need to do in Fusion. And then you've got a video that you can expand and close and take a play around with. If you ever get confused about any steps and don't know what you're doing, or you need some more information, you can always ask our AI learning assistant here. And you can see this is a question that I asked it before, where is the offset command in Fusion? And it's replied with this information here. Anything you want, it knows exactly what step you're on and course you're on to guide you through the course. I'm going to head and close that. I'm going to go to next step now. And as you can see, I've got my first in-step question. I just need to answer it correctly. So the base of the rectangle, I can expand it and I can take a look, and I think it's this. Great. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump straight to this extrude command to show you an example of a check step. And this is probably the most crucial part for using Fabrio. On every check step, you'll see the model that you're trying to attempt, and you can see and interact and play around with it here, zooming and zooming out. You know it's a check step by it telling you it's a check step by saying, check your model's accuracy with Fabrio Smart Check, and the light bulb is down there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Fusion, and you can see that I've already got the plugin loaded and running. If you need help installing the plugin, there'll be a link after this video with instructions on how to do that. Once you have the plugin installed, you can hit the login with browser or login with the email. And what the login browser is going to do, it's going to open up Fabrio in a new browser. It's going to log you in, and you'll be logged in right there. You can see that it's already identified my course as the Dune Buggy cab, and my last step is the extrude command. So let's make sure we've got the extrude command ready to be checked. So we've got that same model here that we're attempting in Fabrio, and I'm going to go ahead and press check my model. What it's going to do now, it's going to compare our model that we've got in Fusion compared to the correct model on Fabrio. Fantastic, it's told us our model's correct. Great, we don't need to do anything. But let's say if you've got it incorrect, and I'm just going to make a change here. And let's say we've extruded it up accidentally by this much. What I'm going to do is hit check my model again. Perfect, it's told us it's incorrect. And I'm going to hit close here, and we can see exactly where we're incorrect with this red here. We've got excess material. And on the right hand side, we can see the extrude 1 extent properties is incorrect. And let's have a look why. Okay, so the value is 110 millimeters, but actually we only expected 30. You can press clear your markings, and you can go and fix that and press check again. What's more is on Fabrio, you'll be able to see all of your submissions here. And we can see the one we've just done as the correct one, and then we can see the incorrect one there, and we can have a play with that. How Fabrio works is you'll go next lesson and next step, and every time you're presented with the check step, it's important to check your model's accuracy in Fusion 360 to make sure that you're learning the correct way of modeling in CAD. Thank you for watching. I hope you have fun learning. And please, at any time, if you've got any questions, you can reach out to us through the live chat on the bottom left.